Hello everyone. So even before Toy Story 5 hits theaters, the future of the franchise is already taking shape, and surprisingly Toy Story 6 is very much on the table. Director Andy Stanton has revealed that there's still plenty of story left to tell in this beloved universe, and the key to all is something most franchises struggle with: time. According to Stanton, one of the biggest creative breakthroughs for the series came with films like Toy Story 3 and 4, where the passage of time wasn't a limitation but a strength. Unlike other animated stories that keeps character frozen in place, Toy Story embraces change. Kids grow up, toys get passed on, and relationship evolve. That idea alone opens the door for endless storytelling possibilities. In fact, Stanton has hinted that even within just a couple of months of brainstorming around the life cycle of toys, including the quieter, more ordinary moments, there's already enough material for not just one but potentially two more films. That means Toy Story 6 isn't just wishful thinking, it's something Pixar is actively considering. At the center of the evolving story is Bonnie Anderson, the young girl who inherited Woody and the gang at the end of Toy Story 3. Since then, she's been the emotional anchor of the franchise. But with so much time having passed in the real world, there's a strong possibility that the future films could age her up or even shift focus entirely to a new child. That kind of transition would mirror what happened when Andy Davis passed the torch, giving the series a neutral, natural way to refresh itself without losing its core identity. Of course, the heart of Toy Story has always been its iconic characters Woody, Buzz, Lightyear, and Jessie, and their emotional journeys. Whether the story continues with Bonnie or moves on to someone new, this character still have room to grow, especially as they navigate what it means to be a toy in constantly changing world. Interestingly, while Staten is deeply involved in shaping the future of Pixar, he has made it clear that Toy Story 5 will likely be his final time directing a film in this series. After a legendary run including Finding Nemo, Wall-E, and Finding Dory, he's looking to step back from directing while continuing to guide the next generation of storytellers from behind the scene. As Pixar's vice president of creativity, his influence isn't going anywhere. He still be shaping these films, just in a different role. That also means if Toy Story 6 happens, it will be likely driven by new creative voices, building on the foundation Staten helped create. And based on his comments, Toy Story 5 won't necessarily end on a cliffhanger or directly set up another sequel. Instead, it will follow the tradition of previous films, telling a complete, emotionally satisfying story that could serve as an ending while still leaving the door open for more. Of course, the biggest deciding factor will be the box office. Both Toy Story 3 and Toy Story 4 crossed the $1 billion mark globally, setting a high bar for success. If Toy Story 5 can reach similar heights, it almost guarantees that Pixar will move forward with another installment. This is especially important right now as the studio balances original films with growing focus on sequels like Incredibles and Coco 2. At its core, the future of Toy Story comes down to a simple but powerful idea. There are always more stories to tell when you allow characters to grow. Whether it's Bonnie growing older, a new child stepping into the spotlight, or Woody and Buzz facing entirely new challenges. The franchise has something most others don't: the ability to evolve with time. And if Staten is right, that means the story of these toys is far from over. Thank you for watching. Bye.